Hi, this is Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair channel. Today we've got a Gendex 770 and I want to show you something about how to set the timing so that the unit will boot up to the time that you want to use to take x-rays. The issue is that when you change the setting and turn the unit off, sometimes it'll boot up to a setting that you don't find useful. And I want to show you how to go ahead and set this so that no matter what you set it to, when you turn it off, it will come back on to the setting that you want. Now, inside the cover, this door will open. And right here, what you're going to see is a switch. It's a little red switch. It's called a dip switch. Now, I'm going to put a picture on the screen here so that you can actually see right now what I'm referring to. It's a Gendex technical document that is not widely known about. And this document has instructions and it also has settings for the dip switches. Now the settings go from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can actually set those switches to correspond with the time that you want. So as you can see here in this form, the switches will go on, off, or whatever configuration it is. And you here on the far right corner, you end up with the type of initial boot up setting that you want. So for our particular setting, we went ahead and set this unit for 10 pulses. And what that looks like is it looks like here on the document, it says off, on. And as you can see here, this is what that looks like. This is what that looks like when it's set in that configuration. So for our setting of 10 pulses, we have it set here as off, on, which correlates to 10. You can see that right here. So what happens with this is when we now have our x-ray properly set, we can go ahead and turn the unit to a different setting. We can turn it wherever we want. We'll turn it off. And then whenever the unit gets turned back on, it goes straight back to where we have it set. This is going to be extremely useful in offices that have these Gendex 770s in all the different operatories, and different operatories boot up to different settings. This is a very easy way to standardize the initial setting that your unit will boot up to. For technicians, this is a way where you can actually help your doctor have equipment that is clinically ready to perform in the way that they need it to the second they turn it on. This is Jason from the Dental Equipment Repair channel, and just trying to give you some information that's going to help you be more excellent out in the field. Thank you.